This is my computer, my home computer that I use for video editing. This is the one I built in 2017 and I posted a video on it on YouTube back then. I'm using the i7-5960X processor. It's an 8-core processor. I can render a 15 minutes video in about 4 or 5 minutes. We have 32 gigs of RAM here. This is the 1080 Ti video card, and I'm using the all-in-one Thermaltake radiator, 3 fans, and the water pump here. So it's time to clean this up. As you can see, the computer is an open concept, so it's hollow from here. Dust can get inside, but honestly the last time I cleaned this was about 6 months ago, and it's not that bad. If you look at the fans, it's really not that bad, but I want to give it a cleaning. We need to blow the dust out of the power supply, and that's why I got it to the shop here. So I'm gonna take this apart. Since I posted this computer on YouTube in 2017, we've built 21 of those computers using the 7700K. We still have one over here. And let me show you. This is the Maximus Hero, and 16 gigs of RGB RAM, the 7700K processor, and the motherboard. So this is just waiting for another build. When I first built the computer, I had the 7700K with this setup here, but since I've changed to 5960X processor because it's a lot better for video editing, it has an 8-core processor. So without wasting too much time, let me take this apart. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the side. And what I'm going to do also is remove the video card, remove the razor cable, so we can blow the dust out of the power supply, which is under the cable here. And I'm gonna also remove the back, so we can also blow the dust from the radiator that's under the fans here, and we should be all good. Big Boss is gonna take the back cover out. If you notice, the video card is vertical rather than horizontal, so we can see the nice RGB lights on the video card. The fans, we can change the colors of the fans, we can change the color of the water pump. Now the RAM, I had the RGB RAM, but I switched to those here, 32 gigs. Okay, so everything is nice and pretty. Nice and tidy. We're just gonna take out the video card and we'll give this a proper cleaning. Okay. So the power supply is what I want to clean also. I mean, for the most part, being 6 months like this, in this case, being an open concept, it really did not get much dust. I cleaned this once every couple of months, but now it's been like 6 months. So it's really not that bad. The home is clean, we do not get much dust inside the house. And let's go ahead and clean it. Okay. This is really heavy. Let's start. Okay, so we're gonna put everything back. We're gonna put the video card back, we're gonna put the back cover, and we're gonna power it on. مخصص. And that's it. All we have to do is put this piece of acrylic all right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.